The Google Pixel 11 series is getting closer to its official launch, and a fresh set of leaked renders has now revealed what could be the biggest design change in years. While Google is keeping everything under wraps until its Made by Google event on August 12th, these new leaks are giving smartphone fans an early look at the upcoming Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, and Pixel 11 Pro XL. The first thing that grabs attention is the redesigned camera bar. Google has made the camera bar one of the most recognizable parts of the Pixel lineup, and this year it looks like the company is giving it a fresh new look instead of completely changing the phone's identity. According to the leaked renders, the Pixel 11 Pro XL features a larger and more refined camera bar than its predecessor. The camera housing appears slightly bigger, which could mean Google is making room for upgraded camera sensors and improved imaging hardware. Since Pixel phones are already known for delivering some of the best smartphone photography, this change could be a sign that Google is preparing another major camera upgrade. The standard Pixel 11, however, seems to take a different approach. Its camera bump looks smaller and cleaner, giving the phone a simpler appearance while still keeping the signature Pixel design. This creates a clear difference between the regular and Pro models, allowing buyers to easily recognize the premium version. Even though the overall shape of the phones remains familiar, these small refinements make the new lineup feel more polished. Google appears to be focusing on improving the design without losing the identity that has made Pixel devices stand out from other Android smartphones. Another interesting detail revealed by the leaks is the new color lineup. While classic colors like black, white, and gray are expected to remain available, one completely new finish is attracting the most attention. The new color is called Dune, and it features a warm copper-like metallic finish. Instead of being flashy, it gives the phone a premium and elegant appearance. The soft, earthy tone makes it different from the usual smartphone colors and could easily become the standout option in this year's lineup. Many smartphone brands introduce special colors every year, but Google's Dune finish appears to be designed for users who want something unique without being too bold. It offers a fresh look while still maintaining a sophisticated style. What's making these leaks even more interesting is how consistent they are with previous reports. Earlier information from multiple sources had already hinted at changes to the camera bar and the arrival of the Dune color. These newly leaked renders now match those earlier details almost perfectly. When different leaks continue pointing toward the same design, it usually increases confidence that the final product will look very similar. Of course, nothing is officially confirmed until Google unveils the phones, but these renders are believed to provide one of the clearest previews yet of the Pixel 11 series. The official announcement is expected during Google's Made by Google event on August 12th. During the event, the company will likely reveal the complete Pixel 11 family, including the Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, and Pixel 11 Pro XL. More information about camera upgrades, new software features, performance improvements, and AI capabilities is also expected to be announced. Google has built a strong reputation by combining powerful cameras with clean Android software and smart AI features. If these latest leaks turn out to be accurate, the Pixel 11 series could continue that tradition while offering a more refined design and an even more premium feel. With just a short wait remaining before the official launch, excitement is continuing to grow. The redesigned camera bar, premium Dune finish, and polished overall appearance suggest that Google is preparing one of its most attractive Pixel lineups yet. Now all that's left is to see how many of these leaks become reality when Google finally takes the stage. If you're excited about the Pixel 11 series and want the latest smartphone leaks, comparisons, and tech updates, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next update.